Yeah, what's up, guys? Welcome to this next backtesting session. I think this is part 9. Yeah, I think it's part 9. Um, we did almost 3 months now. We're completing March 2022 today, and we are currently up 16% with a 65% win rate. Stats looking very good. Made 6% in January, 5% in February, and right now in March also 5%. Yeah, I hope we can have a good session today, and we will just go straight into it. If you haven't watched the other parts, go ahead and do so. Yeah, and if you want to see some other videos of me, write some ideas into the comments. Yeah, I'm down to do whatever you guys want, whatever you want to see. Yeah, okay. Start off on Monday, 28th March. We are looking pretty bullish on the higher time frame. We got this previous day high, which we could be heading towards, and yeah, as well as these highs, but it'll take a little bit until we get there. I would love to see a resweep maybe of this low, which is inside of this hourly fair value gap. If we don't react from there, we are probably bearish until down here. I do believe that. So yeah, let's get into it. Yeah, this looks extremely bullish. We don't get any entries. We don't even have a bearish candle. Okay, what I would love to see is now a retracement into this 15-minute gap. And then a inversion to the upside from there. This looks very unclean. I mean, if we get the 5-minute inversion now, then what actually is this? No setup. That's just extremely bad price action. A setup like this would have been solid if we get the 5-minute inversion, but we got the inversion right up there, so that's very bad. Yeah, that's a no trade day, and yeah, I don't find any trades here. Okay, Tuesday. We could be heading towards this high now, and it's a very, very clear draw. I would love to see a resweep of this low, which is inside of a fair value gap. So if we could react from there, this would be a very good scenario for a long, but good. Okay, we did take it out. Hopefully we get a inversion to the upside now. Okay, we got a 3-minute gap. Okay, we did get the inversion, and I won't hesitate. I will absolutely take this trade for a 1 to 1.7. Yes. Or yeah, okay. I'll do it like this. Very good trade since we are very bullish. We tapped into this 15-minute gap, sweeping this internal low, getting a very clean inversion, also reacting from this 3-minute gap right there. So I won't hesitate in taking this trade. Okay, this was still a plus setup. We are now maybe going towards this low right there. Yeah, also Tuesday is a loss. It's okay. We will just do the next day. Okay, we are inside of this 12-hour gap, and I do think we could get some reaction from there. Maybe going up to this daily imbalance. Maybe we get a resweep in of this low. This would be very, very good. But market doesn't look as clean at the moment. Hopefully we get something at 10 a.m. But what even is this? That's just what is this shit? I wouldn't take any trade in any universe in this price action. Like, what even is this? Let's go to the last day of the month and see if we can at least get another win. Okay. We are looking pretty bullish on the higher time frame, but we could be drawing towards this low, which is also in imbalance. So we'll have to see what market gives us. Okay, hopefully we leave this low. Okay, we did. Okay, and now I could see this 3-minute inversion to the upside now, since we tapped into this daily gap. And yeah, we have this unfilled 15-minute gap, and this trade will be a little bit bigger. Yeah, I'll go for 1 to 2. And this is also a pretty good trade. Okay, break even there. Okay, we are out at break even. But I see another opportunity. This gap. But we invest the 5 minutes, so it's not valid. If we wouldn't have invested, then maybe we could have taken a long. Yeah, also no trades. Very bad price action in my opinion. The price action is okay, but it doesn't give any entries. January and February were way better. Okay, again we could be drawing towards this low again. We have looking very bearish, the higher time frame. Maybe we get some kind of resweep of this high, maybe a retracement into this 15-minute gap. Okay, yeah, no entries for me because of this week. Now we could get a retracement into this gap here. Maybe get some kind of reaction from this, because we are still pretty bearish. Yeah, I don't like this inversion. Okay, yeah, we edge this 15-minute gap and then go straight down kind of unfortunate. I hope we can get up there at least. Maybe we find a short from there. Yeah, I don't want to end this week with only one trade, so if we get a inversion to the downside, then very, very bad price action. Yeah, okay, that was this 1 week. We only took one loss at a 62% win rate now. One trade, one break even, and that's fine. I think this was my first unprofitable week right now. Okay, I had one week before that, but yeah, that's my session for the day, and yeah, see you guys.